On top of your filtered honey, sometimes you get these white bubbles. And if you mix them into your jarred honey, it's not the end of the world, but it doesn't look tidy. So I'm just going to show you a quick tip on how to get rid of these bubbles. First you need a little bit of cling wrap, a tripod for your camera, because it's hard to do with a phone in your hand, and an ice cold beer. Now the cling wrap goes on top of the bubbles, and the beer is for me. So the first thing you need to do is have a sip of your beer. Then you place your cling wrap on top of the filtered honey and try and get it across the whole surface if you can, on top of all the bubbles. And then when you pull the cling wrap up, the bubbles should come with it, and they absolutely don't. Oh well, till next time, thanks for joining me. I'm Andy G, and this is Mind Your Buzzness.